what you gonna do now? It's your reflection looking back to pull you down. So are you gonna die today? Make it out tonight. Gotta come to the monster in your head, take you outside. Hot deep inside. It's time for a new empire. Don't bury your demons. Let's head down the ceiling, sing this loud.
Now, if you remember from last time, to loosen that thing up, it takes a flat. And if I remember correctly, you don't have to take the screws all the way off. You just back them off so far. And then this will come off. Or not, because I'm recording it. Maybe a little more. I don't know why I didn't use a Phillips. Alright, then take the screws out so you don't lose them. And we're going to pull this down, and as you can tell, that gasket was already bent from last time I was in here. And I think not only was it old and deteriorated, I destroyed it. I'm gonna let you compare the next one. Old one, new one. Old, new. Yeah, I think it was time to change that out. See, there's the new gaskets put in, and it fits a lot better, looks a lot cleaner. Now the fun part is keeping these screws in, that gasket on, and lining up for that hole and that hole down here. And I got it all cleaned up and wiped down, so it should do a lot better. Alright, new one's put on. Cleaned it up a lot. Doesn't that seal look a lot better? If by chance it's still leaking around there, I'll take some gasket maker and run with the filter too. But it really shouldn't. So there's one thing down. Let's get on to the next.